Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting releases for heavy-duty trucks, the all-new 2026 Ram 2500 Warlock. This isn't just another workhorse, it's an off-road beast with attitude to spare. Let's break down what makes this rig so special. The 2026 Ram 2500 Warlock hit dealerships in Q3 2025, marking the first time the iconic Warlock nameplate has graced a heavy-duty Ram 2500 HD model. Starting at $7,160, including destination fees, this truck brings serious value for those who want capability and style. Oh, and if you're wondering about that premium price tag, the Warlock package itself only costs around $2,995. For that, you get a whole lot more than just stickers and decals. It's a full-on transformation. Now, let's talk about where the Warlock truly shines: off-road performance. It comes straight out of the factory, loaded with some serious upgrades designed to conquer any terrain. With Bilstein shocks providing superior ride control and a 1-inch factory lift, the Warlock is ready to tackle rough roads without missing a beat. Those massive 34-inch Goodyear Duratracs, they're built for grip no matter how slippery or uneven things get. And don't forget the anti-spin rear diff and skid plate. They keep your drivetrain safe when the going gets tough. And here's my favorite part: hill descent control. Whether you're creeping down a steep slope or navigating loose gravel, this feature gives you total confidence behind the wheel. When it comes to muscle, the Warlock doesn't disappoint. You've got 2 engine options to choose from, both delivering jaw-dropping numbers. The standard 6.4-liter HEMI V8 is already a powerhouse, cranking out 405 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque. But if you need even more grunt, opt for the 6.7-liter Cummins Turbo Diesel. With 430 horses and a best-in-class 1,075 pound-feet of torque, this diesel monster can haul, tow, and climb anything you throw at it. Let's not ignore the Warlock's aggressive good looks. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this truck means business. Matte black accents give the Warlock a stealthy, trail-ready appearance. The signature bedside decals are subtle but unmistakable, a nod to the legendary Warlock heritage. Paired with those bold 20-inch diamond-cut wheels wrapped in meaty tires, this truck looks like it was born to dominate off-road landscapes. While the Warlock may look rugged on the outside, inside it's all about practicality and tech. The interior strikes a perfect balance between durability and comfort. You won't find leather seats here. That's because the Warlock prioritizes function over luxury. Durable cloth upholstery and rubber floor mats make cleanup a breeze after a day on the trails. But the real star of the interior is the tech. Uconnector 5 keeps you connected with wireless Apple CarPlay R and Android Auto TM. And the optional 12-inch touchscreen puts everything right at your fingertips. Need directions, music, climate controls? Done, done, and done. So what's the verdict on the 2026 Ram 2500 Warlock? Simply put, it's a heavy-duty truck that refuses to compromise. With unbeatable off-road capability, a choice of powerful engines, and head-turning design, it's the ultimate tool for adventure seekers and hard workers alike. Whether you're hauling gear to a job site or exploring uncharted territory, the Warlock has your back, and then some. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. What do you think of the new Warlock? Until next time, stay tuned.